hosting the Rock and Roll Running Series?
Well, una, it's a great honor to host an international event. We're very happy and excited to host again the Rock and Roll here in Manila. Second, we are happy also to share our culture, our history, and that Manila, everyone here has a story to tell about Manila. And we want to showcase our historical areas and places and to bring, alam mo yung may share namin yung Manila in these trying times, yung good vibes. Sa Manila, chill lang. While there's a lot of competition in demographics, geography, but it has a lot of, that's full of stories to tell and to be shared to fellow Filipinos and to our foreign guests who are coming and joining this event.
Boss, sports tourism, anong nako-contribute nito para sa...
Malaki ang any form of tourism approach or program. It's an addition to our tourism goal for the country. And we're just happy being the capital of the country and the window of opportunity for everyone. This will generate more traction, more business, and more business is more jobs for our people here in Manila.
Ang mensahe nyo, come November 29, mensahe nyo sa magiging participants nitong run?
O sa mga nanonood dito, sa November 29, arat na sa Maynila.
Ito, may code ko tayo.
Sa ating mga kababayan all over the country, if you have free time and you love sports, especially marathon, nako, ito yung masaya itong rock and roll na ito gaganapin sa November 29, 2026. Remember, it's going to start your journey here in Kilometer Zero in Luneta, Manila. So come, join us here.